Hi guys, my name is Daura Panchevsky and welcome to my Dave's Kitchen experience. Starting from today, I will share delicious recipes here on YouTube for all of you. And I hope you will give these recipes a try at home. Also, we can share some shortcuts, tips and tricks about creating delicious recipes for every occasion. I wanted to kick the things up and say welcome to all of you with this delicious cherry spritz cocktail recipe. One of the things I love the most is entertaining with family and friends, especially with some amazing homemade cocktails. This dazzling cherry spritz cocktail is perfect for entertaining and to give things a notch. So let me show you how to make it. First thing you're about to do is to pick your favorite cocktail glasses. I'm using the ones my grandmother gave it to me. They are more than 50 years old and have that rustic charm. The second thing you're about to do is to fill them with ice cubes, just 3/4 of the way full. Now it's time for some cherry liqueur. When it comes to cherry liqueurs, you definitely can use store-bought, but I love to use my homemade cherry liqueur, which is so easy to make. Just alcohol, something like vodka or white rum, fresh sour cherries, brown sugar, and a little hint that comes from cinnamon sticks. Now it's time to fill glasses with some Prosecco and soda water. Decorate with fresh and frozen cherries and a beautiful looking straw. To make it a little bit more decadent, garnish with sprigs of mint. And now there you have it, one perfect looking cocktail recipe that will please the crowd and will bring so much fun to your next party. You can make enough to fill a large bowl of this and say welcome to your upcoming guests. What a treat for them. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. For a lot more recipes coming in future, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking!